Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore 8 powerful morning drinks that can help you manage and even combat diabetes. These beverages are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support healthy blood sugar levels. Whether you're looking for refreshing teas, nourishing smoothies, or simply some healthier drink options to start your day, we've got you covered. So, stay tuned as we dive into these fantastic morning drinks that can make a significant difference in your daily diabetes management. Let's get started. 1. Drinking water first thing in the morning is a simple yet highly effective way to kickstart your metabolism and maintain stable blood sugar levels. When you wake up, your body is naturally dehydrated, and replenishing it with a glass of water can help rehydrate and jumpstart your metabolic processes. This early hydration aids in flushing out toxins, which in turn can improve insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. Moreover, water has 0 calories and no sugars, making it an ideal choice for those managing diabetes. Drinking water before meals can also promote a feeling of fullness, potentially leading to reduced calorie intake and better weight management, an important factor in controlling diabetes. Additionally, staying well hydrated helps your kidneys function efficiently, which is crucial for removing excess glucose through urine. Incorporating this simple habit into your daily routine can have a lasting positive impact on your overall health. So, make it a point to drink a glass of water every morning. It's a small step that can lead to significant improvements in managing your blood sugar levels and overall well-being. 2. Green tea is renowned for its numerous health benefits, particularly its rich antioxidant content. These antioxidants, especially catechins like EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, play a significant role in improving insulin sensitivity. By enhancing the body's ability to utilize insulin efficiently, green tea helps in regulating blood sugar levels, which is crucial for individuals with diabetes. Regular consumption of green tea has been linked to a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The antioxidants in green tea combat oxidative stress, a condition that contributes to insulin resistance. By reducing oxidative stress, green tea aids in maintaining healthier blood vessels and better overall metabolic function. Moreover, green tea has anti-inflammatory properties that further support metabolic health. Inflammation is a key factor in the development of insulin resistance, and by mitigating this inflammation, green tea helps in the management of blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that drinking green tea can lead to modest reductions in fasting blood sugar and A1C levels, which are critical markers of long-term blood glucose control. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine is simple and can be a pleasant way to start your morning. Whether enjoyed hot or cold, plain or with a splash of lemon, green tea is a versatile beverage that offers a natural boost to your diabetes management efforts. 3. Coffee, particularly when consumed without sugar, can play a beneficial role in managing diabetes. The active compounds in coffee, including caffeine and antioxidants, have been shown to improve glucose metabolism and enhance insulin sensitivity. This means that drinking coffee can help your body utilize insulin more effectively, leading to better regulation of blood sugar levels. However, it's crucial to consume coffee in its purest form. Adding sugar, cream, or flavored syrups can negate the benefits by introducing extra calories and carbohydrates, which can spike blood sugar levels. For individuals with diabetes, these additives can complicate blood sugar management and potentially lead to insulin resistance over time. Black coffee, on the other hand, is low in calories and carbohydrates, making it a suitable choice for a morning beverage. It can be enjoyed hot or iced, and its rich, bold flavor can be an excellent way to start the day without compromising blood sugar control. For those who find black coffee too bitter, adding a small amount of unsweetened almond milk or a dash of cinnamon can enhance the flavor without adding unnecessary sugars. By making mindful choices about how you prepare and consume your coffee, you can enjoy its benefits while supporting your diabetes management goals. 4. Warm lemon water is a simple yet powerful drink that offers numerous health benefits, especially for those managing diabetes. Drinking a glass of warm lemon water in the morning can be an excellent way to kickstart your day. The citric acid in lemons helps stimulate the digestive system, promoting better digestion and the efficient absorption of nutrients. This can be particularly beneficial for those with diabetes, as a well-functioning digestive system helps regulate blood sugar levels more effectively. Moreover, lemon water supports liver detoxification, an essential process for overall health. The liver plays a critical role in regulating glucose levels in the blood by storing and releasing sugar as needed. By enhancing liver function, Lemon water helps maintain balanced blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of spikes and drops that can be harmful for diabetics. Additionally, lemons are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that combats inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are linked to diabetes complications. The hydrating properties of warm lemon water also contribute to better overall hydration, which is crucial for metabolic processes, including the regulation of blood sugar. Incorporating warm lemon water into your morning routine is an easy and natural way to support your digestive health, enhance liver detoxification, and manage your blood sugar levels effectively. 5. Unsweetened almond milk is a low-calorie, sugar-free alternative to regular milk that is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes. This plant-based milk is made by blending almonds with water and then straining the mixture to remove solids, resulting in a smooth and creamy beverage. One of the primary advantages of unsweetened almond milk is its low carbohydrate content, which helps prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. Additionally, almond milk is naturally rich in vitamins and minerals. It is an excellent source of calcium, essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Many commercial varieties are fortified with additional calcium and vitamin D, both of which are crucial for bone health and overall well-being. Vitamin D plays a significant role in immune function and helps the body absorb calcium more effectively. Moreover, almond milk is a good source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. For those who are lactose intolerant or have a dairy allergy, almond milk provides a lactose-free and dairy-free alternative that can be used in a variety of ways, from pouring it over cereal to adding it to coffee or smoothies. In summary, unsweetened almond milk is a nutritious and versatile choice for people with diabetes, offering numerous health benefits without the added sugars and calories of regular milk. 6. Green smoothies are a fantastic way to start your day, especially for those looking to manage diabetes. Made from nutrient-dense vegetables like spinach, kale, and cucumber, these smoothies provide a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. The high fiber content in green smoothies is particularly beneficial for diabetes management, as it helps slow the absorption of sugars into the bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. Spinach is a versatile green that's rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and iron, while kale is renowned for its high levels of vitamin K, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Cucumber adds a refreshing taste and is excellent for hydration, being composed of about 95% water. Together, these ingredients create a balanced smoothie that not only helps in regulating blood sugar but also supports overall health. Moreover, green smoothies can be easily customized to suit personal taste preferences. Adding a small amount of fruit like berries, which are low on the glycemic index, can enhance the flavor without significantly affecting blood sugar levels. You can also include healthy fats like avocado or chia seeds, which further aid in maintaining stable blood sugar levels and provide additional nutritional benefits. Incorporating green smoothies into your morning routine is a simple yet effective way to boost your nutrient intake and keep your blood sugar levels in check, setting a positive tone for the rest of your day. 7. Ginger tea is a potent beverage known for its numerous health benefits, particularly its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogaols, which have strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These compounds help reduce inflammation in the body, which is beneficial for managing chronic conditions like diabetes. Drinking ginger tea in the morning can be particularly effective for those looking to control their blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that ginger can enhance insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to use insulin efficiently. This is crucial for people with diabetes, as improved insulin sensitivity can lead to better blood sugar control. Moreover, ginger tea is also known to aid in digestion and boost the immune system. By starting your day with a cup of ginger tea, you not only help regulate your blood sugar levels but also promote overall digestive health. The warming and soothing nature of ginger tea makes it a perfect morning drink, especially during colder months. To make ginger tea, simply steep fresh ginger slices in hot water for about 10 minutes. You can add a squeeze of lemon or a dash of cinnamon for added flavor and health benefits. Incorporating ginger tea into your morning routine can be a simple yet effective way to support diabetes management and improve your overall health. 8. Soy milk without sugar is a valuable plant-based protein source that offers numerous health benefits, particularly in managing blood sugar levels. Derived from soybeans, soy milk is naturally free from lactose, making it suitable for those with lactose intolerance or dairy allergies. It provides a comparable amount of protein to cow's milk but without the saturated fats or cholesterol. One significant advantage of sugar-free soy milk is its ability to help stabilize blood glucose levels. Unlike cow's milk, which contains natural sugars, soy milk's carbohydrate content is primarily complex carbohydrates, which are digested more slowly, resulting in a gradual and steady release of glucose into the bloodstream. This slow digestion can prevent spikes in blood sugar levels, making it a suitable choice for individuals with diabetes or those aiming to manage their weight. Additionally, soy milk is rich in essential nutrients such as calcium, vitamin D, and B vitamins, which are crucial for bone health, immune function, and overall well-being. Its plant-based nature also means it contains phytonutrients and antioxidants that can contribute to reducing inflammation and supporting heart health. Incorporating sugar-free soy milk into your diet as part of a balanced meal plan can offer a nutritious alternative to traditional dairy milk while potentially aiding in better blood sugar control and promoting overall health. In conclusion, we've explored a variety of morning beverages that can play a crucial role in managing diabetes effectively. From refreshing green teas packed with antioxidants to sugar-free almond milk rich in calcium and vitamin D, each drink offers unique benefits to support stable blood sugar levels. Whether you prefer the invigorating kick of ginger tea or the nutrient-packed goodness of green smoothies with leafy greens, there's a choice suited to every palate and health goal. Remember, making smart beverage choices in the morning is just one part of a holistic approach to managing diabetes. Alongside a balanced diet and regular physical activity, these drinks can contribute to better overall health and well-being. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and options to incorporate into your daily routine. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and here's to your continued health and wellness.